Hello, Tim. This is Carly Sullivan on capstone number 6, Perspectives on Climate Change Mitigation, Adaptation, Mitigation, and uh, Sustainable Development. The threat is climate change is happening, rising sea levels, extreme weather conditions, dead zones in our oceans, changes in crop yields, as well as the condition of fresh water, fresh, clean drinking water are all major contributors to the necessary adaptation, mitigation, and sustainable development planned for our continued existence. Indonesian islands are a place that's vulnerable because they lie in the path of increased tropical storms, deforestation, rising sea levels, and changes in the levels of biodiversity in the rainforests that remain. These changes will accelerate in the rate of extinction, decrease crop yield, increase soil erosion, and nutrient runoff, increasing dead zones. So this area, when it's an island, a series of islands. So whenever we discuss adaptation or mitigation and sustainable development, typically you can't move these animals or these things can be moved north, or they can relocate, or they can shift and stuff like that. And this is creating just the animals have nowhere to adapt, so adapt, move, or die basically is what it comes down to. The forecast for some of this environmental change is these tropical storms will increase in intensity, sea levels will continue to rise, living conditions will continue to deteriorate. The forecast in these communities, these species will continue to lose their homes due to deforestation and climate change. Water supplies will continue to be infiltrated with seawater. Communities will have a difficult time getting the crop to adjust to the change in climate. There's some few solutions to this problem. We discussed about the dispersion of sulfur into our atmosphere to help deflect sun's rays that could change agriculture and natural operating ecosystems and reduce the heat from the sun trapped in our atmosphere. By doing so, though, it could have like serious issues with our current operating systems, and it could lead to further troubling times in our communities with our people. And so this is a possible solution, but it's very unlikely to work for us.